All right, 3 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and you mix it in. Make a crater in the middle for the room temperature water or hot water, 1.5 cups. Okay, 1.5 cups of hot water. Put it inside. Save a little bit. Mix. All right, after it mixes for a few minutes, it should be about this texture, doughy, rubbery. Items you need is the plastic spatula, you get on Amazon for about $5, and then the metal dough cutter, which is also on Amazon for about $5–10. So after mixing for about 5 minutes, you just use the spatula, scrape the excess dough downwards. And then you let it proof for at least an hour to 3 hours. Okay, if I've covered it with saran wrap, I'm gonna let it proof for about an hour to 3 hours in room temperature. If you put it in the fridge, it'll take a little longer, at least 5 to 8 hours. And then you gotta flip it, wet your hand so it doesn't stick. Okay, spread the flour on the board so it doesn't stick.
You almost got him killed. There's a mandate. Okay, the round
Spread some on the dough
it's gonna have more zombies
before you bring it out.
Okay, so all of the zombies in multiple
Yep. So now use the spatula, get the dough out.
Let's go to this bottom.
Put some in the bowl for the dough, artisan bread, so it doesn't stick. Put some over here, a liberal amount.
Okay, stand in here. Wait.
All right, so since there's 3 cups of flour, we're gonna make 3 loaves of bread. 1 French bread, 1 French artisan bread, 1 French baguette, and 1 epi baguette.
So after that, we're gonna do the escort. Just stand in the circle. Stand in the circle. Yeah, let's escort.
Okay, this is gonna be for the artisan bread. Then cut this in half.
What's the escort?
And this is gonna be for the baguette. Okay, stop. Ted, go. Okay, so now you got flour over here. Now you wanna fold it a couple times. Don't smash it all the way, just fold it like 4 times.
Yeah. Okay, go to the helicopter.
Okay, now you turn it around, you shape it, like so. And you stick it in there, like that. You let it sit while your oven's warming up. Cover this so it doesn't dry up.
So if you look like
Now for the baguette, same thing.
So it gives you supplies and then later rounds it'll give you a machine gun.
Spread it, fold it 3 times. Once right here, make sure it seals. The other one right here, make sure it seals. And then you roll.
Stop. So bad. Okay, we put that one in.
Okay, stop. Okay, so with cotton cloth, spread some flour so you put the baguettes in here. That way it doesn't stick. Okay, the first one goes on. Boom, like so. Make sure it's straight. Hold it.
Don't worry, we'll let him carry in the later rounds.
Start with the second one over here.
What? That doesn't hurt you. Oh.
And roll it.
There's super not. There's paint shells. Hard done. How much money? Oh wait, check.
Okay, bring it here.
Wait, check.
Spread it with some flour on top.
No. You. Oh. We're at the start. We're gonna come over to start. Follow me.
Let it sit. Okay,
Not,
go.
not closer.
Alright, so with the scraper, scrape the extra flour onto the baking sheet. So use all the flour. If you have to use more, you spread it out. Spread a little more out. Okay.
Can't find
So now you gotta take the Dutch pot out after it's been preheated at 475 degrees in the oven because it's super hot. Spread a little flour on there. This is gonna be for the artisan French bread. Put it on bottom so it doesn't stick. Put a little flour on top of this.
Gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Okay, and then you flip it
I'm
over
gonna die. Give help.
and put it in the pan.
Oh, I'm not gonna die. Chopping on
And you score it in the middle.
Just hold down right click.
And just like that. Put the lid back on. And for 30 minutes.
Literally running
There you
out
go. So now you put this into the foil. Put it on top. Go to the other one. And put it on the tray like so. Stretch it out. Okay, for the longer one, we're gonna make the baguette. Cut it at a 45-degree angle. Okay, for the regular baguette, you're gonna score it
Stop, steal, kill.
about 4 lines. And just make sure it's straight. spray with some water so it doesn't over dry. So just like so, and then you put it in the oven. Okay, you want to get some water, a third full. Put it in the oven. This is so that the baguette does not over dry. So baguettes will be about 20 minutes on the bottom, and the artisan bread is 30 minutes on top. So you want to set 2 timers, one for 30 minutes for the artisan bread, 20 minutes for the baguettes on the bottom. Okay, after 15 minutes, you gotta rotate the baguette so that way it's evenly cooked. Looks like it's pretty much done, so I think maybe 1 minute it'll be done. Okay, a minute has passed. Take out the baguette. And boom, here it is. Okay, this is the end result. Okay, so you want to let it sit for a few minutes, let it cool off, and you want to hear that crunch. Hear that? That's what it should sound like. All right, 30 minutes is up. We're gonna take a look at the bread. Oh, that's perfect. I'm gonna bring it to the oven for cooling. So there you have it, 30 minutes later, after being baked in the Dutch oven. You have the artisan bread. 20 minutes later, you have the epi. And you have the French baguette. And test for the crunchiness. There you go. Okay, after 20 to 30 minutes of baking, you have 3 breads made from 3 cups of flour. All right, the final result.
Let's have a 1v2, all of you guys against me and Joseph. Don't worry, you have Ryan.
Enjoy.
Ready?
Yeah, go. All right, time to eat. There it is.
Here, sweetheart.
Say guys. Mama.
Okay, this is the artisan bread.